Hey there and welcome to Drifting and Thrifting, and it looks like starting right off we have a cat book collection somebody donated. I'm more of a dog person myself. In the board games area there was, strangely enough, a flash camera, which reminds me of when I used to get these as a kid for field trips. Not sure why it was there. And right nearby what caught my eye was a Harry Potter board game, because as a kid I also read and watched the movies as they got released. Here's a one-piece puzzle, but I'm personally not into the series myself. Check out this unlicensed creepy Pokemon puzzle. I hate it. I always gotta check out the mixed toy bags whenever I'm here, and nothing too special today. Beanie Babies, Squishmallows. Right there is a Yu-Gi-Oh! McDonald's keychain. Other than that, I really didn't find anything here. Oh wait, gotta have a knockoff Labubu, of course. See them everywhere now. What I thought was interesting though is that they had some Pop Mart figures, but for 24 bucks, nah. A few more Yu-Gi-Oh! McDonald's keychains. Oh, there's a little Groot and Squirt from Finding Nemo. This was a cute little pushing figure holding a little mushroom, but unfortunately its whiskers were damaged, so I left it. A lot of animal and dinosaur figures nearby too. These miniature figures in particular caught my eye, but I'm not sure what they are. I'm assuming that they're for role-playing board games, but let me know in the comments. Behind Tuxedo Mask are some 2013 Wizard of Oz McDonald figures for the 75th anniversary of the film. Some more anime Funko Pops. Oh, some Playmobil figures in that bag. And in the back are some 2022 Marvel McDonald figures for the Thor movie. They had 3 bags of Lego figures, but they're $12.99 each, and as I'm showing you right now, they are in not the best condition and they had missing pieces. I don't know if you'd be able to wash these off, and I'm well aware that people sell these on eBay for a decent price depending on the figure. But I'm calling savers out. This is a little out of hand, the pricing on this. Thumbs down. Alright, let's dig through the stuffed animals. Here we got a vintage Winnie the Pooh. Kinda strange looking, but kinda cute. Okay, what else we got? Oh, sup Mario? A Triceratops. I usually see more interesting plushies than this, honestly. I had to look this up since I'm not familiar with it, but it's apparently a Star Wars toy. I'm sorry, I'm not a Star Wars fan. Check out this crazy collection of Raggedy Ann and Andy dolls. That is nuts. I don't know too much about these or what's valuable and what's not, so I didn't even mess around with them. I just left them for someone else. Not really my kind of thing to collect anyway. Oh, Vanna White from Wheel of Fortune. I cannot believe they made dolls of her. I was a weird kid that watched Wheel of Fortune growing up. It's extremely necessary that I show you this giant whale shark figure. Absolutely necessary. Everybody's gotta see this thing. Smooch. That is one large doll set. Let's see what else is around the corner nearby. Just some usual play sets, a Barbie house. Rocking horses, quite a few of them actually. Oh, there's Wally on the floor. Oh no! Here, I'll place him back. Check out this chunky boy right here. Wiggle wiggle. I saw that this was open nearby, so I decided to see what else could be hiding in here. We got a Mickey plush. Let's open this drawer. Let's see. A Mickey souvenir cup, it looks like. Okay. Buzz Lightyear, and it looks like right there is supposed to be the Bowser playset, but it's missing some pieces as you can see, so it's no good. Mini plushie. Alright, anything else? Oh, holy crap, guys, this genuinely scared me in the corner. Somebody thought it'd be funny to hide a Halloween hand, and honestly, it kinda was. So I put it back where it was. Okay, what other treasures do we have hidden in here? We got some Marvel masks. Alright. Oh, there's another Squirt, but this time it's a baby toy of sorts. Nothing in the freezer. Anything in the fridge. And Fisher Price toy. Some kind of plushie. A weird looking Eeyore. Mickey figurine. Matching mini figurine. Some kind of Squishmallow knockoff. Nah, nothing else. This is a Fisher-Price remake of the nifty station wagon, which was released from 1960 to 1962. These look like some kind of Legoland foam weapons, or maybe they were from the store. I couldn't find anything about these online, so if anyone knows. A fun Las Vegas mug. What else do we have over here? Oh, some Looney Tune glasses. These were sold in the 70s at various restaurants like Pizza Hut and Hardee's, aka Carl's Jr. if you're not from the Midwest. But check out how cheap they are back then on the ads. That's nuts. There's a Universal Studio Harry Potter mug from Orlando, but more importantly, this was somehow not caught by anyone yet. This cute Sanrio character is Landry, a raccoon that lives in a wash basin, and he loves to eat, and he's full of beans. Cute little mug for only $2, and it's rare. Great find, right in the cart. Speaking of cute, I thought this crab souvenir photo album was super cute. I would use it if I did that kind of thing. And right nearby was a vintage 2000s Winnie the Pooh themed one. It might be easy to walk past this chicken, but this is actually Emma Bridgewater, who is well known in Britain for her pottery. And check out how much this little one is worth. Yoink! Let's see what's inside this little tin right here. Oh, just some buttons. Here's a Fantasia collectible plate. Now, collectible plates aren't worth much, but I just had to check out what was inside of it. Okay, let's keep scavenging through these shelves and check out this strange turquoise instrument. And editing it right now. Before you say in the comments, I see that the cap fell off. Bummer. This is a vintage melodica, which was made in Germany, and if you watch anime, you might recognize this from Your Lie in April at the beginning. Really good condition for its age. It came with the case and an instruction sheet, and this is how much it's actually worth instead of $8. Another random Star Wars toy that I don't recognize. And then we got right here Rainforest Cafe. I've only been there twice though. Aw, cute little mystery grill. And the weird find of the day goes to the sweatsuit. These aren't known to work, guys, and just check her out. I always enjoy some country and farmhouse decor. Can't go wrong with that. What else do we have over here? Is that a rooster in a bathtub? That's going straight home. No way this is here. No way.
Wait till my father hears about this.
This almost made me laugh out loud in the store. Love the cow sweater, but it's too expensive and it's too warm for where I live. This Hello Kitty one was super cute, but I prefer to not have white sweaters. And then here's a cute Choco Cat one. I regret pulling this out. Check out this creepy Grinch sweater. And here's the haul from this episode. Let me know in the comments what you think of any of this, and I'll catch you on the next episode of Drifting and Thrifting.